at now? Where we at now? Boys run around with a fake bitch. When I see certain niggas, I don't say shit. Motherfucker like me tryna say bitch. Scoop it up, let it down, niggas say this. Then the whips, I can do it any kind of way. From the Zay to the Chris to the Chardonnay. From the belt, from the bike to the parkway. Everything a nigga touches like Parfait. Get it by. Real nigga live it life. Understand no true men live a lie. Loose chicks on the street, better get it tied. Free pussy played out, better get it right. Where we at now? Where we at now? Where we at now? Yo, please stop. 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 Where we at now? Yo, please stop. 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 Where we at now? Boys run around with a fake bitch. When I see certain niggas, I don't say shit. Motherfucker like me tryna say bitch. Scoop it up, let it down, niggas say this. Then the whips, I can do it any kind of way. From the Zay to the Chris to the Chardonnay. From the belt, from the bike to the parkway. Everything a nigga touches like Parfait. Get it by. Real nigga live it life. Understand no true men live a lie. Loose chicks on the street, better get it tied. Free pussy played out, better get it right. Where we at now? Where we at now?